now let's talk about question number 6. Using a Punnett square, work out the distribution of phenotypic features in the first filial generation after a cross between a homozygous female and a heterozygous male for a single locus. So now what we have to do in this question number 6, we have to make a Punnett square. We have to make making a female and male cross with each other for a single character only, and we have instructed that we have to take a homozygous female, we have to mate this homozygous female with the heterozygous male. So we have to make a Punnett square and we have to find the phenotypic ratio. We have to make a Punnett square to find phenotypic ratio in the first filial generation or F1 generation. We have to find phenotypic ratio in F1 generation or first filial generation after a cross between a homozygous female and a heterozygous male for a single locus or character. Single locus means single character we are talking about. So now what we are going to talk about, then we will take parent, we will mate the parents, the given parents. So as we are instructed to take heterozygous male for a single locus or a single character, the character we are choosing here is height. Alright, so the character we are choosing as height. So heterozygous male will be capital T, small t. This is a male with heterozygous condition, is mating with homozygous female, is mating with homozygous female, is mating with homozygous female. That's what we are instructed to do. So we are taking heterozygous male and the character we are choosing is height. So heterozygous male we have taken and homozygous female we have taken. These are going to make gametes, as we know that this heterozygous pair is going to make two types of gametes, capital T and small t. These are gametes. These are gametes, and this female is going to make only one type of gamete, that is small t. Alright, now we are going to make a Punnett square over here. We are going to fuse these gametes with each other. So now on this we are going to write the gametes of a male, capital T small t. Capital T small t are the gametes, capital T small t, and now we know that female is going to produce only one type of gamete. Then we are going to write the gametes over here of a female. Now we are crossing them, we are matching them. So capital T small t we are obtaining here. Here we are obtaining small t, small t. Here we are obtaining capital T, small t, and here also we are obtaining small t, small t. So you can see this is the F1 generation or first filial generation, F1 generation or first filial generation, and according to the question we have to find the phenotypic ratio in F1 generation only. So from this Punnett square we can conclude that the phenotypic ratio, we are not talking about the genotypic ratio, the phenotypic ratio in F1 generation we are obtaining as 1:1. So 1:1 is the phenotypic ratio of F1 generation. Alright, so in F1 generation 1:1, that means 50% of the individuals, 50% of the individuals are dwarf or 50% individuals are heterozygous tall, or let's leave heterozygous. What is conclusion? That 50% of the individuals of F1 generation are small and 50% of the generation, 50% of the F1 generation are tall in nature. So this is the complete solution of question number 6.